their prices up, it means this bill is going to directly cause deaths, suffering and death to many Kenyans. It also means that food will be less accessible. Already, we have a crisis of people not being able to have meals on their table. With the joblessness, with the cost of living being up, Kenyans have been shown by the Kenya Kwanza regime that they are on their own. This is happening in a context where the expenditure, non-essential expenditure for the office of the president, for the office of the deputy president, for the prime cabinet secretary, luxury items, they have pushed the budget up for travel, the example being led by the office of the president. They have pushed the amount for purchase of non-essential items, fuel, guzzlers. Cars are not an essential, especially if they are just discarding cars they found that have not lived have not done their time. Just because you have come in, you buy new vehicles at a time our economy is in crisis. They talk of austerity measures on one hand. On the other hand, they are lavishly spending like there is no tomorrow. So just a look at what is happening. If you look at the finance bill as against the budget proposals, because the increase in expenditure is well captured in the budget proposals, it is quite clear that Kenyans are on their own and that this is a cruel and caring regime which does not care at all if Kenyans die of hunger, if children fail to go to school, or if people die because they cannot access medical services. I would urge, especially our Azimio members of parliament, as you debate, let us not be hoodwinked to concentrate only on the issue of the housing fund. This bill has so much poison in it, which needs to be unpackaged to Kenyans, item by item.